Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Honestly, it's been a hot minute, but it's time to do some blue and gold XL winter acrylic nails. So I've gone ahead and applied my nail tips to my practice hand, and then we are coming in with our blue acrylic. So this colour is called Bora Bora. Now, listen. Don't hate, I have been gone for what feels like forever. There's been a lot going on behind the scenes, but then also I got sick for literally like 2 weeks and I'm just recovering. So I might sound a little bit creaky in the voice because, this sickness was not playing. It was so bad. But yeah, I'm hoping now I'm on the recovery. It just means that I'm so behind with Christmas content and I've literally not even done anything. So, well, that is that, but here we go. This is the first video of the season. Okay, so like I said, we are using Bora Bora as like the feature colour for this full set. Somebody mentioned that they wanted me to use the metallic acrylic collection because I haven't featured it like loads on my channel. I have, but not like recently. So I thought what would be really fun would be to do like a Christmas series, but I'm going to be using the metallic acrylic collection from my website, which is Glitter Planet, and my brand of acrylic and gels is called Nailmate. So yeah, you can check out my link in the description if you want to buy any of my nail products. I've got nail art, nail supplies, everything you need from gel, acrylic, glitter, chromes, you name it, baby girl, I got it. I got you covered. So yeah, head there, use my code NINJA10 for 10% off, and you guys are going to get some amazing nail supplies. So I selected the gold film from my unicorn film collection. So these are like glass papers. They are not nail art foils, so all you do is kind of encapsulate them within your designs and they just add an element of pizzazz. They are super fancy, and literally in this set you get so many different colours which go with all different kinds of designs, different colours that you have. Whatever you want to create, you have a film in there that is going to go with the set that you have in mind. So it's definitely handy to have in your collection because honestly, encapsulating this paper in nails is just amazing. I absolutely love it. You can also crinkle it up and then encapsulate it, which also looks super cool. Okay, so before I apply the film, I'm coming in with a nude acrylic base. I think this one is Nude Attitude. It's a gorgeous like neutral nude, quite lighter on the shade kind of range. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's just like a nude, you know what I'm saying. I trimmed the film that I picked out the box and I just cut it into irregular shapes. And this is how it looks. I'm applying it into the wet acrylic just to give kind of not a shattered glass effect, I suppose, because I'm not filling up the entire nail with it, but I'm just having it in there for a bit of a feature, a bit of something extra going on, and honestly it just looks really pretty and ties the whole entire set together. So yeah, I've not been on for such a long time. It feels like forever. I know I've uploaded a few shorts and you guys have been loving those, and I have a lot of new followers. So hey, if you are tuning into my long form content, I know not everybody watches long form, but if you are here and you are new, please say hi in the comments. I am so glad you decided to join my channel and subscribe and stick around. So now I'm letting those gold shards that I've trimmed set just whilst that acrylic dries, and I'm going to move on to the next nail. So I had the cutest idea to do like these golden little snowflake charms on the free edge on a clear glass tip. Honestly, it turned out super cute and I'm so obsessed with how pretty this looked, and this would go with any colour. So just because I've used the blue, whatever is your favourite colour, swap it out for that and this look is going to work. You could also obviously shorten the length of the nails and do it that way, or even just have it on your natural nails. This design would still look absolutely bomb. So now I'm coming in with this glitter acrylic and I believe it is metallic light gold. Absolutely beautiful, a perfect one for Christmas, especially if gold is your thing. Although I do know that obviously some people prefer silver or like holographic. When it comes to Christmas, I am more of a traditional girly, you know what I'm saying? Like I love all the like the golds, the reds, the greens, like I want those tacky decorations on the ceiling and everything. That is just my vibe. Literally, more is more. I love it. Anyway, I'm applying this metallic, you know, gold acrylic at the cuticle area, and then I'm blending it down over the top of these snowflake charms, and then I'm adding a little bit in between just to add that extra like flow to the nail. And this just turned out really, really cute. Once I'm happy with the amount of glitter that I've got on there that's kind of peeping through, I'm gonna move on to the next nail, and we'll come back and encapsulate that in a little minute. Moving on to the next nail, we're going to go ahead and do a full nail of Bora Bora, which is this gorgeous blue again, and look how beautifully it applies. If you are someone that's wanting to try acrylic but you've struggled in the past, or you've found that like certain brands it's just setting too quick for you and you're not getting enough time to play with the product, then my Nailmate brand is going to be perfect for you. Honestly, you get such a long amount of working time before the product sets. You'll wonder how you ever did acrylic without it, because honestly you'll be as obsessed as I am. It's just beautiful to work with. It goes on so beautifully. Look at it, I am obsessed. Anyway, we are applying the cuticle bead. You want to kind of pick up a small to medium bead for that cuticle area, drain the liquid from the back of your brush to make sure that you get the right consistency, place the bead, allow it to level for just a moment, and then using the tip of the brush, as you can see my acrylic brushes that I stock go flat towards the end, and this is going to give you the absolute best control of product around that cuticle without making a mess, without flooding the cuticle. It just makes everything a million times easier. So yeah, definitely, like if you kind of love the acrylic that you're already working with and you're struggling still, it might well be the brush, the size, there's all sorts of different things, but trial and error and finding what works for you is going to really help in your nail journey. So don't give up, don't be disheartened. Literally, it is possible. It just takes time and a bit of effort and a lot of frustration sometimes, I guess, working with acrylic. But once you've mastered it, oof, you will never go back, because it's actually perfect to work with. I love it down to my core. You guys who have been with me forever know that it's where I'm at. It's like my thing, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm coming in with my Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm going ahead and encapsulating all of these nails. I do it in a few beads. Some people do like to do a single bead for the entire nail, or they'll just do 2 beads. I just do what I feel necessary for that particular nail at that time. Like another day I might do 2 beads, another day I might do 5 beads. Obviously they'd be smaller, but yeah, just work however you feel most comfortable. I'm just going ahead with my Nailmate Crystal Clear Acrylic and finishing up encapsulating the final 2 nails for this look. But yeah, whilst I'm doing that, I just want to let you guys know that you can subscribe if you haven't already. I would absolutely love it if you stuck around. Turn on the notification bells and turn on all notifications. Personalize them to you so you get what you want, because I do know that YouTube only sends certain ones, so you do have to literally click all notifications if you want notifying when I upload, which is going to be more consistently now that I am back. I have a lot of content planned for you guys, and I'm super excited to get to it. And yeah, I'm just really excited. I am also doing a shorts series with I think I'm going to try and do like 12 days of Christmas. I'm on day 2. Like I said, I am behind. Literally, it is like, what is it, the 8th of December. So I'm going to have to post a couple a day and catch up. But I suppose 12 days of Christmas, as long as it's before December is up, it is good. But yeah, I'm doing a design a day, or I might post 2 depending on how well I get through that. So that's super exciting for the shorts. And for the long form, like I said, I'm going to be using the Nailmate metallic acrylic collection and doing a Christmassy set with all of those. I'm not saying I'm not going to pair any other colours with them, like I've done the gold with this. I might add in a pastel colour or whatever I feel is necessary for that set. But yeah, the metallic collection is what is going to be kind of the highlight and the feature, just to showcase it a little bit. It's a really, really glorious collection. Honestly guys, I have my cup of tea here. My throat keeps on going like so dry to the point where I cannot talk. It's unbelievable. I don't know if anybody else has been sick, but I have been talking to a few of you on Instagram, and a few of you have said the same. You've literally just been out for the count. Honestly, it's wild. Like literally just breathing. And this is my first time back doing a full voiceover as well. I knew I had to give it enough time for me to get like at least a little bit recovered, because I would not have managed to do it otherwise. So yeah, maybe that's why it's the first video back. We'll see. Okay, so I'm mixing my gem glue gel, which is this super thick viscosity like gem glue that has no tacky layer. It's perfect for applying your charms and crystals, but I'm adding a little bit of our black gel paint to that, and it's giving me this raised textured paint where I can literally add any 3D details onto the nail, cure it, and add my chrome, and boom, you have textured 3D chrome nail art with so much ease. It's unbelievable. Next, I want to do it where I draw like a bow and add my chrome that way, because I think that would just look absolutely stunning. But yeah, I'm curing that in the light for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to come in with my gold chrome and a silicone tool and apply that onto where I've got the black. It just helps so much that it cures to a no tacky layer. And adding the black there, you could just do it with the gem glue gel, but what I find that if you don't have that like black finish, it kind of almost looks transparent still. It doesn't give it a real pop. I find that the chrome just pops when it's a black base. Now, this is called Isolated Chrome, and as I'm just doing the voiceover for it, I'm wondering whether you guys would be interested in a full video of how to perfect your isolated chrome. I feel like that's going to be a good topic since chrome is hot right now. I have been doing it for a long time. You guys know I've tried so many different like techniques, products, you name it, I've tried it. But yeah, I think a deep dive into chrome is what we are all needing. We need to perfect it. We need the smoothest application, the longevity, the 3D, everything. I'm going to do it. I'm going to write it down and do it. I'm not even waiting for you guys to respond, baby. You're going to get the content anyway. Okay, so next I'm coming in with a little detail on the pinky. We are going to do a like half a snowflake that's coming onto the nail. So I've started with my dot placement, and then I'm coming in and we are going through the dots from the center, pulling them out towards the end, and then peeking through that final bit just to create a little bit of a point. And this just gives us a super simple, super easy snowflake, adding some extra details between those lines. I haven't cured anything yet because we're going to be adding the chrome. So once I've finished with all the details, I'll go ahead and give this nail a full 60-second cure. Then with my gold glitter planet chrome powder and my silicone nail tool, I'm coming in and making sure that I get all of the areas, all of that chrome on there. Then I can come in and give it a wipe, remove that excess, and we can top coat everything and show you guys the final look. Honestly, that just looks absolutely stunning. Christmas is my most favorite time of year. I just love it so much. It's literally, if it could be Christmas every single day, yes please, thank you. I'm coming in with my gel top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the entire nail, making sure to smooth out any bumps and checking the line of light so that there are no like little fibers in there or any bits of glitter that I've got in there or anything like that before I go ahead and cure it. Once I'm happy, I can do a full cure for 60 seconds. Look how cute this turned out. Oh, I'm obsessed. And here is the final result. The thumbnail, if anybody is wanting to recreate this, I would definitely go with the clear free edge and the gold snowflakes in there, because your girl is obsessed with it. So yeah, this is a final look, you guys. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye. See you later. Comment snowflakes down below if you made it this far. It's a little secret, but I'll know who's done it, baby.